Go on, Petey. Go cry to the teacher. Tell them I was nasty to you.
Shut up, Gary. You're such a jerk, man.
Oh, am I, Petey? Oh, you're so cutting. I'm really upset. Actually, I think I'm gonna go cry. Then I'd be just like you. Cry, little girl. Oh, look out. Here comes Jimmy.
Just knock it off, Gary. You're out of line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was hanging out in the girls' dorm. Silly me.
Shut up, man. You're boring.
Boring? I'm boring. You're none too interesting yourself, friend. Look, I'm sorry, both of you. I apologize, okay? I just get a little overexcited. Forgive me.
Forget it. It's cool.
Anyway, I've got a good idea for some fun. Let's go out and torment someone really helpless and unfortunate. That homeless guy. Come on. You coming, little Petey? Come on, I'm sorry. I'll give you a kiss if that's what you want.
Shut up.
Then come on. This is gonna be fun.
Harassing some old homeless guy is fun.
It is. And you should be grateful you're not the victim for once.
I guess.
Hey, Jimmy, tell me about this guy. Does he like to go in his own pants?
Tell on you. I really love bunnies. They're so nice.
So she doesn't want to get in the shower with me?
Fine!
Always one step ahead of me. I don't get welfare case. Now we see.
Boys, hi.
You should be ashamed of me.
Hi there.
Goofies.
We gotta look at that. We better help. We're real losers. Here's hoping someone gets. You want more? You're both idiots.
So what if I'm confused?
You're real losers. Here's hoping someone gets badly hurt.
You're gonna hate me forever.
This is how they educate people? It's no
Get
wonder this
closer.
country's such a dump.
I'm gonna make your
Are you
life a
hurting
misery.
yet?
You're both idiots. Be careful.
Where is this dirty old perv?
You know, you're not very nice, Gary.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates.
Get out of here, you little scum!
So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on
Scum!
campus. You jerk! Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of here, kid.
Why should I?
Because otherwise I'll kill you.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
No!
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
Alright then, tough guy, kill me!
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. Classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool!
Just get me a part for my radio, and I'll show you what the army taught me.
What, like how to get shot by your own side?
Exactly.
Those preps think money can make them cool. If there's traction nearby, you're on the wrong side.
Don't look at me!
Scared? Getting scared?
I like it when you try to escape.
I'm touching, you know you love it.
Come on, show me what you got, stick boy.
You're gonna get...
Isn't that nice?
This is so not cool. So I said seriously,
Later.
be my best.
Oh, cool.
How's it going? What's going on? This place doesn't
You
appreciate a
better
man
run.
who work with his hands.
Come here. I gotta tell you. Don't whine.
I'm gonna leave skin marks all over you.
Not so big now, are you?
I just broke up my shit, and I'm gonna take it all out on your face. Sucks. I'm gonna pound your face. You're a little rusty. I'll fix that. Careful now, you might hurt yourself. My shit's rubbed on it. All out of sit on. Get some.
Come and get it.
I'm gonna pound your face in there. I'll fix that. Get some. I'm gonna leave skid marks all over you.
Tell me you're not so big now, are you?
I can
Tell me you can hit hard.
Careful now, you might hurt yourself. I'm gonna pound your face in there.
Show me what you got, stick boy.
I just broke up with my chick, and I'm gonna take it all out on you.
Dumbass. Walk, don't ya?
Come and get it.
You're stupid and
After I'm done hitting you,
Get some.
I'm gonna sit on you.
you want some of this?
Looks like you're a little rusty.
Come on, show me what you got, stick boy. Tell me you can hit
You're
harder than that.
pathetic. Okay, you win.
I'm gonna pound
Beat
your
it.
face in there.
Back off. What's this?
Thanks, kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this one from this crazy guy I served with. Yeah, okay, he was my brother. That's the killer instinct. You better try to doing me proud. That's enough for now. Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
That's that nonsense dealt with.
Hey, check this out.
Don't be mean. I just want to graduate.
I need more growth.
I think I'm going to go to the office. Our fellow student hanging out with Miss Danvers.
Is 4 teams too many to be on?
This feels so good to do this. The time has come for me to show my true colors. You're dead. Stay down. Oh, please call a cleric. I need a healing spell. Two black eyes. Yeah, two. Hate the dirt. You see this? Eat it. Oh, come on. I can throw that a punch with my hands. Run away.
I'm going to report you.
Cheap shot. No.
I suggest you grow up.
Can't wait to watch the game.
This might be useful.
It was my cousin's fault I turned out like this. If you hadn't made me eat all those jewels.
Have you ever been in a fight?
I'm gonna take you down.
Don't hurt each other too much.
You've had it coming.
Stop being idiots. Get a room, Mom.
Ah, mommy. boy ought to be fired. Idiot! Music from my ears! Hold that. Guess you're not a thick breeding, huh?
Oh my! A fire! Good for nothing bum.
I hope Dr. Crabblesnitch doesn't forget about
When I hit that kid, I puke. Stay out of my sight.
I started a rumor about me being a... You lame jerk. Come on, punk. Let's rock. You're both...
I love them. Key to the universe.
Ew. Oh, so, you're the new kid, huh? Everyone is talking about you.
Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Nothing. Just that you're friends with that sociopath Gary.
Socio what?
Sociopath, it means... Never mind. Forget I said anything. I need you to help me.
Wait, you need me to help you?
I've got some library books that need to be returned, but I'm too scared to go to my locker.
Do I look like a librarian?
No, listen. I need your help. Pretend we're friends. Walk with me. I'll pay... I'll pay you $2.
$2? Are you crazy? Make it 5.
No. $2?
Great. $5. Let's go, buddy.
My mom calls me Prince Algie. She says I'm really special. Like Prince
Wrong guy. I'm Algernon.
I heard you wet your bed again.
People like you that caught
I'll show you I'm not a
Just
wimp.
wait. You'll be sorry.
People like you that caught the rat.
Damn you.
Cross him! Please, Sandwich! Last time I went in there, they made me eat a urinal.
What's his problem? I'm done with you. Your jaw's gonna be...
Fight! Get him! I just love it when someone naps like that.
Really hard.
She's really hugged you.
Just wait till I catch you.
I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, they'll never let me hear the end of it.
See ya.
Hey, see ya.
You truest... I'm going to nip your crime spree in the bud.
Stop kicking me. I'll show you.
Please, nobody hurt me today.
I wonder if I can see... I'm going in! Hey! Were there 2 people in that stall?
She said they went into the bathroom. No more messing around! I'm gonna make you the laughing stock of the school!
How did I get mayonnaise in my pants?
When I'm done with you, your jaw's gonna be wide shut, and you'll be eating through a straw!
Get lost, bitch.
Jimmy! I can't go with all that
baby gonna
noise!
cry?
You wanna see me lose it? Huh, Dad? I mean...
Gosh! I can't believe Lola had you. It feels so good! Oh my god! Thank you.
told on anyone yet. I wish I could go to school 7 days.
Here it is. Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean.